Have you seen others posting fun collages on their Instagram stories and wanted to make your own? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to make a collage on Instagram stories. Now let's get started. To begin, open Instagram and start creating a new story post. Snap a new photo or video, or upload one from your device's camera roll. Or if you just want a solid colored background, tap Create on the left. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, then select Draw. Use the color selector for the Draw tool to pick a background color. Hold down the middle of your screen with the Draw tool on to fill the background with your selected color. To add images to your collage, tap the sticker icon. Then tap Photo. Choose a photo from your camera roll. Tap the image sticker to change its shape. You can then adjust the crop of your image within the shape by using two fingers to zoom or rotate. Then tap Done. Resize and place the image where you'd like it in your collage. Continue adding as many image stickers as you'd like. You can adjust how your images are layered by holding down one image. Wait for the layer indicator to appear, then swipe up to move it forwards, or down to move it towards the back. Once you've placed your images, finish off your collage with text, stickers, and doodles if you'd like. When you're done, go ahead and post it to your story. That's all it takes to make collages on Instagram stories. To learn more about using stories, check out our Beginner's Guide to Instagram Stories next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.